Hi everyone, it's Brian. Welcome back to the channel. To my great subscribers, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe today. And on this channel, we do all kinds of different genre stuff I hope I haven't heard. You can suggest stuff. I love that. Help me grow the channel. But today we're going to listen to more of the Pogues, who I've done before. But today I've heard the song. It's called Rainy Night in Soho. Let's go.
I've been loving you a long time, down all the years, down all the days, and I've cried for all your troubles. Smile at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together.
Now this seems to be more of a lyrical melody, love song almost. I'm wondering if it's going to pick up to a pub type song that the other Pogues songs I've heard are like, but we'll see what happens. Okay, let's go.
And we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven. Some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whistling all its charm. I sang you all my sorrows.
So I sang you all my sorrows, you told me all your joys. So here we go, beautiful love song of two people sharing their hearts with each other.
You told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song? To all those little girls and boys. Sometimes I'd wake up in the morning, the ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence.
So he's ended up with a ginger lady, probably Irish, right? A lot of redheads, stereotypical. But he's still thinking of this other girl. Wow.
I'd hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future. I'm not dreaming of the past. I'm not talking of the first time. I never think about the last. Now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. Still there's a lot I hold before me. You're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my
Beautiful stuff. The Pogues that I haven't heard that song before. Wasn't really expecting that. The lyrics, the tune, a little bit of the penny whistle that you could hear, which is nice. They're more known, the Pogues, I guess, for pub songs, drinking songs. You're used to seeing Shane with a drink in his hand, a cigarette hanging in his mouth. But a fantastic song, beautiful, romantic, and probably not quite the pub song, but you never know. I don't know what it's like in Ireland, what it's like in doing those pub songs, but a great song nonetheless. Enjoy the rest of the songs on my channel, Pogues. I'll link those in the end there. Please subscribe and come back to my channel. Enjoy. Let's grow it together. Bye.